Here I've got Apple iPhone 7, and let me show you how to make all the icons bigger, how to zoom in your display. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick display and brightness. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice display zoom. So smoothly click here, and then you would be able to choose a view for your iPhone. Just click here, and now you can pick either standard or zoomed. Just click here to do it. Here you've got the differences, and click on set to do it. To activate it, use zoomed. Now give your device a short while to apply the changes. And that's it. As you can see, everything is way bigger. All the notifications, phones, and also the icons on your home screen right here now. It's perfect for people with some eye issues. Now you will not miss anything on your device, and then whenever you would like to go back to the normal mode, just locate the settings, go to display and brightness, and just pick standard view. Click on set, use standard zoom, and just within a short while we are back in the normal mode. So that would be all. That's how we can activate zoomed display on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.